Okay, so this is actually a 30-inch Harbor Breezeway ceiling fan, which is installed in the laundry room at a Roblox house. I got done filming the Caleras and the classics out there in the basement, so I'm going to film this fan today. I'm not sure if I can leave the light on for this. Let me see. See it though. Just leave the light on instead. Here's low. So yeah, get a better angle of it. So there's a couple more fans I'm gonna film. I already filmed, like the Caleras out there and the classics. Don't forget, there's also a 60-inch Miramar that'll be in the upstairs great room. And there's also the lakeside too, which I do have videos for those fans if you want to check that out. Medium. Here's medium speed. Alright, here's high. Here's high. So now I filmed all those fans. There's a couple more fans I still need to film. Here's high. So I'm gonna give you a little top shot of the fan. Of course, there's two more fans in the downstairs bedrooms as well. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.